na mkienda muende salama. Lakini nasikia speaker amekuja, wacha waeleze kwa nini anachelewa mpaka saa hii, mpaka kama anaongea. Eleza. Asante.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Ningependa kuomba msamaha mara ya kwanza because I was on my way coming and then I got a call from school that my daughter was injured. So nilienda kumshughulikia kidogo because it wasn't my intention, but I want to apologize for coming in late, but the situation is in control. Vile mmesikia sitakuwa na mengi. I only want to reaffirm what leaders have spoken here, that great countries have only succeeded by investing in education. As the county government of Nyamira, as our Excellency is Amos Hon Nyaribo has said it here, we will do our bit, especially from the county assembly in matters of legislation, to ensure that our ECD centers are well equipped, our VTCs are well equipped, and as we collaborate with other stakeholders from national government, I know this county will be great. That our future is based on the investment we make today in education. So I want to support all that the leaders have shared, stakeholders, that we will work together this journey to ensure that in academics we rise and our county will be great and they will shine depending on the investments we make today. So I wish you well. Mmesikia kwa majina ni Okero Enoch ambaye ni speaker wa Nyamira na mkubwa akiongea, si hatukui na mengi, but we wish you the very best for your commitment, dedication, and count on our support every minute you need it. Thank you very much na washukuru sana.
Baada ya kusikiza